Fire spreads following an oil tanker explosion in East China's Zhejiang province. It happened in the coastal city of Ningbo early on Saturday morning when the 600-ton vessel was being repaired. 2.5 hours was how long it took to put the fire out, but there's a new problem. An unknown amount of oil is now leaking into the Yongjiang River. Now, local authorities are worried as the 130-kilometre stretch of water is a major source for the nearby city, which has a population of 7 million. 6 ships are dealing with the clean-up, and the cause of the accident is now under investigation.